NIOS and the NICS model. They combine their memory models into this functional model. So we can see the sensory buffer memory, the short-term memory, long-term memory, and the action buffer memory, and to build up this functional model. And this is from the cognitive model perspective to see their model. And we can see we have the real entities, and they use the OAR models to represent their core their core models. So finally, we know their data structure, and we know their design of their cognitive model. And so the next step is what is the mechanisms of the cognitive models. So the two important things in the cognitive mechanism is when memory is created and how memory is created. But in this part, the authors they mention that people fall asleep. The time people fall asleep is the time the long-term memory is established. But this is not actually right. And the memory, how to make the short-term memory into the long-term memory. They just mentioned the idea, and not the process in detail. So in this part, we have to we can use our own study or our own ideas to refine this part of their research. So finally, in the discussion, this is our proposed brain simulator, and it is introduced in Jimmy's presentation. And this is the brain component class diagram we make up a draft in the beginning. So we focus on the computing component and the communication component and the protocol data unit. The protocol data unit is it represents the neurotransmitters. And we also come up with other two important components in our brain simulator. That is the dynamic model. We know in different kind of brain application, like or brain disease, they have different models to represent the different functions and different mechanisms of the human brain and the change of the structure of the human brain. So we have lots of dynamic models to represent the human brain. So it is an important category. And we also have defined the application. So in our brain simulator, we try to use the bottom-up approach from the brain anatomy, and we also want to use the top-down approach to see from the cognitive informatics. We try to combine these two related research fields to build up a better brain simulator. And our brain and the one important characteristic of our brain simulator is its case-based incremental delivery approach. And that is one of the reasons why I studied this paper, because if we in our brain simulator we can know more cases of different brain applications like learning, memory, or brain disease, we can combine, we can add the models in these different kind of cases into our brain simulator, and that will help our brain simulators get evolved. And the focus of my future studies is the different time scales and the dynamicity and the balance of the human brain. So that's my presentation. Thank you.